Right. I look like I'm in an Australian prison shirt here or something weird. I'm gonna show you how to make some functional hood vents on your Jeep Gladiator or JL Wrangler. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and remove that ugly black thing, the liner that goes on the hood. Second thing you need to do is go ahead and remove these little guys by popping in the clips. Whoop. There you go, they are out. And step two, let's go inside. All right, so to modify these guys, all you need are two tools. Grinder with a cutoff wheel and a drill with a drill bit. We're gonna drill 4 holes, and then we're gonna go ahead and use our grinder to cut between our 4 grills, and that will open up this whole area so air can flow through these vents. I don't know why they did this. I don't know, I guess keep water off the engine, but I'm not too worried. All right, let's go ahead and start our modifications. Okay, now that you got your vent out, next thing I like to do is, when I'm getting ready to cut something out to make it look nice, I like to take a drill and just drill out the corners. So we're gonna do that. Don't go too deep. There you go. All right, now that you've got your holes drilled in each corner, we're going to take a grinder, move some crap around here, with a cutoff wheel here, and we're just going to go ahead and cut from each hole and go all the way up here. Okay, so here we go. So there's our first cut. Now we're going to go up the side here. There you go. Clean that up. There you go, a functioning hood vent right there. All you gotta do is stick them back in. The cheapest mod you could probably ever do to a Jeep. Once you got tools. And then because you drilled that out, it makes the corners super nice and clean. And then you just gotta pick off this little bit of slag left from the grinding. But yeah, there you go. I'll show you the other one in time lapse. All right, both are done. Cost me $0. And it will provide extra cooling to the inside of my engine bay. So let's go stick these bad boys on. Oh, and if you don't like what you did, I'm sure you can go to Mopar or any dealership, buy new ones for $100 and you're back to normal. So let's go stick this back in. Alrighty. There you go. Let's go ahead. That's in. Look at that, we got ventilation. Done. This is quite literally the cheapest modification I have done to my Jeep yet. Check it out. Done. All right. Hopefully you like that modification. Nice and cheap. Should have probably been your first modification. All right. That took a total of like 10 minutes maybe with making this video. So if you're not making a video, it should take you like 3 minutes if you can run a grinder and a drill, which hopefully you can. All right, thanks for watching.